In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in your Airbnb account. Whether you're planning a trip abroad, learning a new language, or simply prefer to navigate your account in a different one, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Airbnb account. Open your preferred web browser or mobile app and enter your login details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Airbnb dashboard. Here you have access to all the essential features and settings you need to manage your bookings and account preferences. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small icon consisting of 3 horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. Give that a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu featuring a variety of options. Within this menu, look for the section that says Language and Currency. Clicking on it will take you to another screen where you have control over language settings. This is where the real magic happens. You'll immediately see options for language and region. Here you can select the language that you want for your Airbnb experience. Simply scroll through the list of available languages and click the one you desire. It's as simple as that. There's also a useful feature to consider here. Airbnb allows the automatic translation of descriptions and reviews into English. This can be especially helpful if you're dealing with listings from different parts of the world, but prefer to read everything in English. Once you've made your language selection, just sit back for a moment as the screen reloads and adjusts. Before you know it, your dashboard will display your chosen language, making your browsing experience much more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language settings in Airbnb. I hope this makes your next booking experience seamless and more engaging, no matter where you're planning to travel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and guides. Happy traveling, and I'll see you in the next one.